Hi everybody, welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Today, we'll talk about Mediterranean interior design. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Mediterranean interior design is an exceptional style that is gaining popularity worldwide. This timeless style originates from the Mediterranean basin, which encompasses a large part of Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. The style is highly influenced by the Mediterranean Sea, which boasts of pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Mediterranean interior design is characterized by earthy colors, natural materials, and a combination of modern and traditional elements. The style has a relaxed and welcoming feel, making it perfect for creating a cozy and inviting home. One of the essential elements of Mediterranean interior design is the use of warm colors. The colors are drawn from nature and include earthy tones like brown, beige, and terracotta. These warm colors are used on walls, floors, and furniture to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Mediterranean interior design also incorporates bright and vibrant colors like blue and green, which are reminiscent of the Mediterranean Sea. Another key element of Mediterranean interior design is the use of natural materials. Materials like stone, wood, and terracotta are commonly used in Mediterranean design. These materials add texture and depth to the interior space and create a connection with nature. Furniture pieces are often made from wood or wrought iron and are adorned with intricate details and patterns. Mediterranean interior design also incorporates elements of traditional and modern design. Traditional design elements include arches, vaulted ceilings, and exposed beams, while modern elements include clean lines, minimalist furnishings, and simple decor. The combination of traditional and modern design elements creates a timeless look that is both elegant and relaxed. To create a Mediterranean-inspired interior space, one can start by incorporating natural materials such as stone, wood, and terracotta. Add warm colors to the walls and floors to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Furniture pieces can be made of wood or wrought iron and can be adorned with intricate details and patterns. Add decorative elements such as tiles, pottery, and wrought iron accessories to create a connection with the Mediterranean basin. Mediterranean interior design is a timeless style that creates a warm, welcoming, and relaxing atmosphere. The style is characterized by the use of warm colors, natural materials, and a combination of traditional and modern design elements. By incorporating these elements into your interior space, you can create a cozy and inviting home that is both elegant and relaxed. So, get inspired by Mediterranean interior design and transform your home into a beautiful and timeless space. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make an interior Mediterranean design. Thank you.